Pesti's capsules use a delayed action pesticide, so treated insects return to their nest before dying, spreading the active ingredient through social contacts. These capsules are microscopic polymer shells that adhere to an insect's cuticle when it contacts a treated surface or bait. Once attached, the shell slowly releases the active ingredient through diffusion over a controlled period that can range from several hours to a few days depending on the formulation. Because the insect remains mobile for a time, it walks back to brood chambers, food stores, or communal resting sites and transfers pesticide by grooming, trophallaxis, or simple contact. For social species, this creates a secondary exposure pathway that reaches individuals that never directly contacted the original capsule. Apply treatments where foragers traffic most and near nest entry points so contaminated workers reliably shuttle the material inward. Avoid heavy cleaning or solvent use after placement, since that can remove or dissolve the polymer matrix and shorten longevity. The three most common issues are apparent pest increases after treatment, failure to reach hidden chambers, and inadvertent loss of efficacy from environmental factors. Seeing more insects briefly is normal because foragers become active as they encounter a novel toxicant and then carry it into the nest, so do not assume treatment failure if counts spike for a day or two. Monitor for population decline over the following 1 to 2 weeks. Hidden or deep nests will reduce transfer if few workers contact capsules, so place baits along established trails and inspect voids or structural entry points to improve access. Heat, rain, and solvents can degrade the capsule shell and flush out the active ingredient, so choose protected placement, schedule applications during stable weather, and avoid cleaning treated areas for at least several days. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who understand advanced pest control approaches like delayed action capsules and where to place them for best effect. We also help contractors find work and join a discussion community so we can all share field experiences, placement tips, and product feedback.